I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Power on the Panda Touch Pro and open Bluetooth on your phone. Select the device name shown in the pairing list to connect. Install the companion app from your app store for firmware and mapping. Update firmware if prompted. This ensures stability and new features. Attach the clamps to your phone securely and adjust the grip tabs. Calibrate the left stick and triggers using the in-app 3-step guide. Test all inputs inside Mobile Legends before starting ranked or practice games. Open Mobile Legends and enter the settings menu for control customization. Switch to custom layout and tap the mapping icon to begin placement. Assign left stick to movement and the 4 action buttons to attacks. Set skill sensitivity to 50% and joystick sensitivity to 60% for balance. Use a 3-tap macro for hero combos and assign it to a spare button. Save the layout and lock the controls to prevent accidental changes. Practice in the training mode to refine timings and macro sequences. Start each match with a quick signal test to confirm trigger response. Adjust aim sensitivity during hero skill casts for accurate skill shots. Use the macro sparingly to avoid predictable patterns and penalties. Charge the Panda Touch Pro after 2 to 3 hours of continuous play. Store the device in a protective pouch to prevent dust and clamp wear. Update layouts seasonally based on meta changes and new hero abilities. Recalibrate monthly or after firmware updates to maintain precise input mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.